A very good morning to you all. It is indeed an honour to be here this morning to officiate at this very important event. If I can briefly highlight the importance of Constitution Day and echo the comments of our Prime Minister in his video message that the signing of our Fijian Constitution was the culmination of the hope and dreams that Fijians held for generations. And I saw that reflected in the videos submitted in this competition, reinforcing to me how important the Constitution is and how much it means to all Fijians. Constitution Day was held for the first time in 2016 in Albert Park. Last year, the official festivities were held in the town of Labasa in Northern Division with a mufti and essay competition organised for schools. The winning essay by Miss Priya Darshani Karan from Dreketi Central College. She won herself a trip to Sydney for two and enjoyed her time there. The day, September 7th, marks a significant milestone for the nation as Fijians all around the country gather to celebrate the supreme law of the land. Constitution Day was a day set aside to commemorate the 2013 day when the Constitution came into being and reflect on the immense value our Constitution provides. It is a time we set aside to honour our supreme law and to remind us of the provisions, political, social and economic rights that it guarantees for every Fijian. One of these constitutionally enshrined rights is the fundamental right to education, and we thank our teachers for the work that they do, particularly in helping all the school children who participated in this competition. And it's the very reason we have so many of them here with us this morning. These students have travelled from as far as Bar and Sigatoka to be here today, and it is a joy to see these young patriotic faces in the crowd. This year's Constitution Day was celebrated with a difference. His Excellency The President called on all Fijians to join the celebrations through his hashtag #OurConstitution Challenge. We asked people to submit a 1 to 3 minute video recording and posting it online on the Fijian Government Facebook page. A competition that was designed to support the government's commitment in providing an enabling environment in the development of information technology and communications, at the same time helping to promote digital literacy across Fiji. The online competition, I'm proud to say, saw hundreds of videos submitted and posted online via our very talented young Fijians. These videos have been inspiring and moving testimonials. It has been an immense joy for me to view the videos and see the happiness and excitement that young Fijians put into their videos to celebrate Constitution Day and the Constitution of Fiji. It was very difficult to make the decision. There were so many good videos and so many creative talents put to use in the creation of those videos. I'm happy to say that one of the common themes that came out of the videos was the Fijians children being aware of the Bill of Rights under the Constitution. And this bill grants us the right to clean water and decent housing. It grants us basic rights and more. A doctrine that levels the playing field for everyone and brings us together as one Fijian family. On this note, I would like to thank each and every one of you that participated, and a special thank you to the teachers who supported the children in the development of the videos. I would like to thank our partners as well for coming on board and donating prizes. Daytech for the laptops and Vodafone for the Samsung Galaxy S10 phones. At this juncture, may I call on the Permanent Secretary for Education to join me in awarding the prizes for our talented students. Thank you.